Experience driving perfection in the 2009 Acura TL. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Acura infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, high-intensity discharge headlights, power moonroof, and power seats. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.